welcome back to my channel. I am your girl, ParisTaughtYu. Paris, if you like I said, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to thumbs it up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget that ParisTaughtYu. And as I always say, be beautiful in your own kind of way. Today is a Sunday reset video. I am going to be doing a grocery restock, cleaning, skincare. I have to do my daughter's hair. I have to place some Amazon orders because I need some items for this week. And then I also saw some things that I wanted. I have to do a little overtime for work, so I have to clock in for maybe 2 hours. And then I'm also going to include the birthday gift that I got from my best friend because I really like it. Yesterday we exchanged gifts. Enough little chit chat, you feel me? Let's get right in. Plus my phone going off, so yeah, let's get right into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy. Okay, so my grocery order came. If you don't know, I do delivery. Y'all might want to check into that if y'all don't like to go to the grocery store. I don't like to go to the grocery store, so I did a delivery for Kroger, and this is what I got. Got some Lunchables, 4 of those, sushi. I don't know, they kind of toe up, but my kids eat this. I can't eat this. I got some crispy and juicy grapes. I got 3 cucumbers. I got some salad stuff, some tomatoes, lettuce, party size Tostitos rounds. I had did the little bowls, but they didn't have any, so this was the next option. I also got some veggie straws. Then for my son, I got this hibachi chicken and rice. For my daughter, she likes the beef and broccoli. And then I also got some home run pizza, some ground beef. This is to make rotel, which I also have the rotel. So I got 2 cans of rotel. And then I also got some pulled chicken breast to make some chicken alfredo with. So I got some fettuccine noodles. I also got some yum yum sauce. My son likes that. And then I do be eating salads at from Chick-fil-A, and I like the avocado lime ranch dressing, so I got that. A thing of Velveeta, some Rayo's homemade Alfredo sauce. I'm probably gonna need another can, but we shall see, because this will be my first time making it. For my dog, I got some Bone Mini, the long lasting chew. They're small. They are made with real pork. So yeah, she loves these. I'm actually about to give her one now. Here you go. Got some Jimmy Dean breakfast croissant sandwiches, sausage, egg, and cheese. I also got some orange chicken. My son, he loves orange chicken, so I thought he could start making it at home, so I got him that. And then I got some halos for the kids, a thing of water, and then I also got a thing of sparkling ice. And it's the fruit punch, black cherry, peach nectarine, and coconut pineapple. It has 0 sugar in it, and this is what we substitute for soda. So yeah, let me put these groceries up. It's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time. Okay, so we just went to the Amazon locker. So I picked up some packages that I ordered from Amazon. Let's see what we got. Okay, so this is some can y'all see? Yeah, these is some nail arts, nail accessories. So my particular nail tech does not have these type of accessories, nail accessories at her location. So yeah, I thought to buy some on Amazon and see if she could use them. Then oh, this is a piece to my computer, a piece to my camera so I can start using my mic. And then I also got some more nail accessories. You know, just in case I do have, like I have them now. So, and a few of them have came off, so I want to have some at home that I can use to put them back on if I lose any. So yeah, purchased these from Amazon. So when I go to my appointment, I'm definitely going to take both of these with me. I'm planning to get my nails done sometime this week. I actually called her today, but my mom was like, oh baby, they closed. So call her tomorrow, see if I can get an appointment in this week. And then I also need to make me an appointment to change the color on my feet. I go to 2 different places because one place is cheaper for a pedicure and they do a good job. And then I also got I got some hair products, some oil. This is Wells Rice brand. And this is how I grew my hair out after I shaved my head. This was one of the products that I used. So make sure y'all screenshot it. I will definitely be sure to put it in the description box down below. But yeah, we all, like my son, he's trying to grow his hair out now. I don't know if, I think he's eventually going to do like twists, or he said he doesn't want dreads. So I'm thinking he want to grow his hair out so he can have twists. And then I'm a girl, so yeah, I'm trying to grow my hair even longer. And then my daughter, she wants to be like a straight natural. Yeah, I have to include some clips on her hair and what it's looking like. So yeah, and then when I straighten her hair out, I had to like cut off a lot because she just wears her hair natural and I don't straighten it often, which I'm going to start like doing more because like I said, she wants to be a straight natural. But yeah, so we're going to like split this up between the 3 of us. And then I also have another oil. I think I ordered 3 actually, but only 2 of them came in today. Yeah, only 2 of them came in today. I mean, only 1 came in. So I think the other 2 come tomorrow. So yeah, that's the end of me opening my packages. Let's get into the next clip.
all night. Say it, I wanna all night. Hello, stranger, babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby, saying, baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and pour a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, get to taking that off of me. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say